In this video, I'll guide you through how to integrate Surveymonkey with Mailchimp. Whether you're gathering feedback from your audience or managing an email marketing campaign, connecting these two powerful tools can streamline your workflow and enhance your communication strategy. Let's dive in and make this integration seamless. First, open your preferred web browser and head to surveymonkey.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so. SurveyMonkey is a fantastic platform for creating and distributing surveys, and connecting it with Mailchimp can help you better target your email campaigns based on the feedback you gather. Once you're logged into SurveyMonkey, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You should see a profile icon there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu provides quick access to various settings and options related to your SurveyMonkey account. From the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Apps and Integrations. Click on it, and this will take you to a section where you can explore different tools and services that can be connected with SurveyMonkey. Integrations are incredibly useful as they allow different software and platforms to work together, saving you time and effort. In the Apps and Integrations section, you'll see a search bar. Type Mailchimp into the search bar and hit Enter. Mailchimp is a leading email marketing service that enables you to create and manage mailing lists, newsletters, and automated campaigns. By integrating it with SurveyMonkey, you can enhance your email marketing efforts by harnessing the insights gathered from your surveys. Once you've found Mailchimp in the search results, click on it. This will open a page with more information about the integration. Here, you'll find details about what the integration entails and how it can benefit you. Take a moment to read through this information to ensure that it aligns with your needs. After reviewing the details, you'll notice an Install button. Click this button to start the installation process. Installing the integration will connect your SurveyMonkey account with Mailchimp, allowing data to flow between the two platforms. This means that information from your surveys can automatically update your Mailchimp lists, making it easier to segment and target your audience based on their responses. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully integrated SurveyMonkey with the Mailchimp. This integration can significantly enhance your ability to gather insights and communicate effectively with your audience. Remember, the key to successful marketing is understanding your audience, and this integration empowers you to do just that by bridging the gap between survey data and email marketing. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials on maximizing the potential of your digital tools. Happy integrating!